yeah, baby.
Hey Jim, this is a 2001 E46 M3 station wagon. E46 M3 wagon? They made those? Nope, not a wagon. Well, not unless you count one concept car. Not a sedan. All factory E46 M3s were either a coupe or a convertible. What we have here is a one-off E46 M3 Touring of our dreams. Its creator, Marc Norris, he knows a thing or two about BMWs. He owns BMW Bavarian workshop. So when he decided to build this car, he did it right. It started out as a 2001 325 IT, and then he stirred in all the best parts of a 2002 M3. Except that 2002 M3 was an automatic. So he converted that to a manual. Yes, this has a manual transmission. The front fenders on the wagon are different. So all of these M3 parts had to be sectioned into the actual station wagon fenders, both front and rear. Beautiful job. Trunk floor was exchanged for the one from the M3, so it's flatter, and that allows for this beautiful Denon quad exhaust. Roof rail delete. Staggered Apex 19-inch wheels. Michelin Pilot Super Sports. An M3 cluster and navigation, so it even says M3 on the screen at startup. How cool is that? Beautiful job on the interior. The seats are out of an E91 Touring. The subframes, the rear suspension, the brakes, of course the engine, all that straight out of the M3. I had an E46 Touring. It was a 325 Xi, all-wheel drive. I loved that car. It, of course, had an automatic, and I always dreamed, oh, how cool it would be if this car had the M3 engine and suspension and a manual transmission. I love manual transmissions. So this car is really a dream car, as far as I'm concerned. So Mr. Norris did a hell of a job, and I'll know he'll never sell it. I mean, can you imagine? It probably wouldn't cost that much to do it yourself if you were to buy the cars in, poor condition and then redo everything, as long as you did all the labor yourself. I mean, if you had to pay, like Marc's shop, if you had to pay his regular shop rate to build that car, it would probably cost a lot of money. I didn't ask him how many hours he had in it. I probably should, and if I do, I'll update. It's a beautiful car. Hey, thanks for watching.
Oh, there's my baby.